Fleet management is an efficiency toolbox that keeps your vehicles connected and optimizes operations. With real-time data, it monitors fuel consumption, emissions, and technical alerts. Additionally, you can track vehicle driving patterns and locations. Route planning entails selecting the best possible route between multiple points, taking into account factors such as distance, traffic conditions, and potential obstacles in order to achieve efficient and effective travel. Inspections and maintenance are crucial aspects of vehicle management, ensuring safety, reliability, and longevity. Regular inspections identify potential issues early, while scheduled maintenance tasks such as oil changes and tire rotations optimize vehicle performance and prevent costly repairs. Together, they help vehicles operate smoothly and efficiently, minimizing downtime and maximizing operational effectiveness. Real-time monitoring of vehicles allows a comprehensive oversight. Tracking a driver's patterns such as speed, braking, idle time, and many such parameters, it enhances safety and efficiency. Geofencing sets virtual boundaries, alerting managers when vehicles enter or leave designated areas. Onboard diagnostics offer instant access to vehicle health data, ensuring timely maintenance and reducing downtime. With all fleet activities being recorded and monitored, a wealth of reports is generated. This empowers business owners to make informed and effective decisions. In simple terms, Kofleetz acts like a blind spot detection mirror, helping to identify potential dangers to the business caused by small leakages.